Here is a list of some very, very funny facts about nature. Niagara Falls is so loud it can actually send squirrels into an existential crisis. They just stand there staring at the water, whispering, "Is this all there is?" The anglerfish has a built-in flashlight on its head to attract prey. Unfortunately, the prey usually ends up attracted to the free dinner sign attached to its face. When a volcano erupts, it spews molten rock at speeds up to 700 km/h. That's faster than your internet connection after 5 p.m. on any given Tuesday. It's facts about nature to have on hand at your next dinner party.